A line chart is a graphical representation that displays data points connected by straight line segments, commonly used to visualize trends over a specific time period. In analyzing quarterly data, we are going to focus solely on monthly sales figures to clearly illustrate fluctuations and trends. Let's include total sales because it can obscure monthly performance details, create confusion, and detract from understanding individual month contributions. This approach allows for a more precise analysis of how each month performs relative to others, enhancing clarity and insight into the quarterly data. Now, to create a line chart, highlight the data. Just as we did for the column chart, repeat the steps. Since we are dealing with a short time range, the line chart might not show clear or beautiful fluctuations. But don't worry, we will use a different example later. As you navigate through the available line chart types, you'll see that there are many options. These line chart types can be used for different workplace tasks and activity tracking. Some of the types have default markers, while others do not. But don't worry, later in this video, we will see how to format all these charts. When you're done, just navigate to the bottom and click OK. Line charts offer clear visualization of trends over time, making them ideal for analyzing data changes. The simple line chart is great for displaying a single data series, providing straightforward insights. The multi-line chart allows for easy comparison of multiple datasets, helping to identify relationships and trends among different variables. Lastly, the stacked line chart effectively shows cumulative totals over time, illustrating how individual components contribute to the overall trend. This versatility makes line charts valuable for various analytical tasks, enhancing understanding and decision-making. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper and watch the full lesson on Excel charts and graphs, I've provided the link in the video description below. Additionally, if you'd like to stay updated with more tips and tutorials, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in the channel description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.